Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be doing a review on the Hapa Kristin Adorable Kristin collection. This one only comes in two colors, brown and grey. They are one-day contact lenses. The price for this is $19.99. One box comes in 10 pieces, which means it's 5 pairs. If you guys want to save more money, you can use my discount code down here if you want an extra 10% off. It is affiliated, but I thought it would be helpful for you guys if you guys want a little bit more discount. I feel like the shipping for Hapa Kristin is always so good. This one actually gives you express shipping if you spend over 75 USD dollars, but if you spend under 75 USD dollars, between 40 to 74.99, you can actually get the express shipping for $4.99. But if not, the standard rate is $9.99 if you spend under 40 USD dollars. But again, you know, one box is already $19.99, so if you browse a little bit more, add a bit more, you get free DHL shipping. But again, $9.99 for free DHL shipping is incredible with, you know, these days. The diameter for this is 13.4 millimeters, so that's the graphic, which is what is obvious when you first apply this. But the overall diameter, so the actual size of this diameter, is actually 14.2, which is a little bit enlarging, but not that enlarging at all. I'm currently wearing the gray one, but we'll talk about that really soon. Just want to talk a bit about the design, because when I first saw this on the website, I thought it's really similar to some of the contact lenses that I've already tried, and actually trying them and putting them on my eyes, I thought that it was very similar as well. But actually comparing them again after using this, they're all very different. So I'll show you guys how they look like between this and the VV ring from Olens, and between this with the Peaceful Kristin and Dope Kristin as well, just in case you guys think that they're very similar as well. Let's get started with review number one, which is the brown color. Brown color one, I honestly love how beautiful this color is, because it just looks so dreamy on the eyes, especially on my eyes, just because I have really dark brown eyes. With this particular color, it is also like a dark brown shade, so you get like a really dark brown rim, then you get a really nice hazel, more so like a golden brown inside as well. What I like about this design is that even though you see that dark rim on the outer side, it doesn't split up those two colors, the dark brown and the gold. I feel like it just diffuse into one another, but also in a layered way somehow. And so when you actually apply on your eyes, the way I see it on my eyes is that it just makes my eyes obviously larger, but at the same time it makes my eyes look very dreamy like, because of the golden part of the color on the inside of the eyes. Oh my god, my description is so bad, but I hope when you guys see the close-up, you know what I mean. It just looks very dreamy, and I just love the turnout of this. Here I'll show you guys how it looks like between the Adorable Kristin and the VV ring brown. You can see the VV ring brown, the outline is definitely much more obvious, much more abstract in a way. And then I'll show you guys another comparison between this with Dope Kristin and Peaceful Kristin. You can see that with Dope Kristin, this one, the Dope Kristin, is much more spiky in a way in the inside, but also a little bit of that wave. Dope Kristin, it has like 3 different type of tones, so you can definitely see the differences. Whereas compared with the Peaceful Kristin, which is similar to the VV ring one, this one is much more stripy and more layered on the outer part. So definitely the design of this are very different, even though I thought that they were similar for some reason. But yeah, they are all 3 very different type of contact lens design. And we have gray, which is what I'm currently wearing, and I feel like this is very similar to the VV ring gray, but I may be wrong. But I'll show you guys side by side, you guys can see the differences as well. I just felt like this was definitely more obvious on the eyes in terms of, you know, the outline for this, even though they all diffuse into one another. This one, when I apply this one definitely looks more like a cool tone gray for me, so you can see a little bit of that blue coming out from the grayness as well, which I actually really like. But I definitely don't think this is as dreamy as the brown. If you're looking for something more puppy like, I would definitely say go for the brown. If you want more, a bit like I don't know, a bit more enlarging, a bit more dark type of contact lens, like a dark vibe, but also give you a bit of like dreamy look, I would say stick to the grey, because this grey, it is very pretty, but it's definitely more obvious on the eyes compared to the brown. But again, I'll show you guys comparisons between this one and the Dope Kristin and Peaceful Kristin as well, so you guys can see the differences. I would have to say that these two are very, very comforting on the eyes. I love that this one comes in one day because I can see myself using this very, very often. I would definitely say, if I have to pick one particular shade, I would definitely pick the brown over the grey, just because I really like the brown turnout. Usually I'm the type that usually go for grey, but this particular collection, I would definitely go for the brown. Before I end this video, I want to end it with a giveaway for you guys, and this will actually be like a back-to-back giveaway. So this is my part 1 giveaway, and stay tuned for tomorrow because it will be like there will be a part 2 giveaway. So I decided to have 2 giveaway in one weekend, and I'll put the deadline down below because I haven't decided how long I want this giveaway to be for, but I want to have as many of you guys to join because I feel incredibly lucky that Hapa Kristin decided to join with me to do this giveaway. One winner will be getting 2 of this Adorable Kristin, but this is only applicable if you guys have the same eye power or have no eye power. Then you get 2 of the Adorable Kristin, so 1 grey and 1 brown. But again, if you have 2 different eye powers like me, it's okay. You will also win something, but you will only get to pick either the brown or the grey, and it comes with both of your eye power, if that makes sense. But we will talk about more of what you can select when you win. I will be choosing one winner in this video and another winner on the other video. The rules are so simple. Number 1, you just have to subscribe to my channel, like my video. Number 2, you would have to follow my Instagram and also Hapa Kristin Instagram as well, which I'll put in the description box below as well. And last but not least, which one do you prefer, the brown or the grey? What type of contact lens you usually go for, what color? I want to know down below. And don't forget to put your Instagram's name down here as well, because that's where I will be contacting you guys via Instagram. But yeah, good luck everybody, and don't forget to watch the second part of the video as well and join that giveaway too, so you get, you know, 2 chances. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.